Hey everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to set up a TikTok Ads Manager and business account. Follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the TikTok Ad Manager website. Go to the ads.tiktok.com. Second step, sign up. Use your email address or phone number to sign up. Create a password. Third step, verify your account. Check your email or phone for a verification code. Enter the code on the website. Fourth step, fill in business details. Provide your legal business name, industry, time zone, phone number, and currency. Fifth step, provide billing information. Enter your billing address and payment method. Submit your information for account review. Usually it takes less than 24 hours. Sixth step, create a new business center. Set up a unique name and email. Fill in your business name, time zone, and business description. Seventh step, set payment method. Choose automatic payment to avoid losing money if the ad account gets banned. Eighth step, manage your account. Use the ID in the top right corner of the ad manager. Request access to accounts. Invite team members. Add more ad accounts and share audience and pixel as needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel.